Hello and welcome to Cboe Volatility 411 for Friday. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, folks, we've seen quite a shift the last 24 hours. Expectations have shifted. The psychology in the market has shifted. With that trade escalation yesterday, the tweet coming out from the president, and with that we're seeing the VIX pop higher as the SPX is giving up more ground today. SPX down about 1%, VIX at the high end of the range for the last couple months. VIX currently right around the 1940 level. We saw it as high as 2011, so it broke the 20 handle today with this momentum shift to the downside. And I can tell you, when you look at the VIX futures, that front month future trading anywhere around 1830 to 18.5 right now. Second month future around the 18 level, so backwardation in those front couple of month futures relative to cash and also relative to the term structure within the futures construct. Looking at momentum now, the momentum has shifted to the downside. We saw a big reversal yesterday in the afternoon, and that reversed not only the momentum to the upside that we were realizing going into this reversal, but also continuation of that momentum to the downside today, and that's why we're seeing the VIX escalate, I think, even more dramatic given the fact that we are seeing a second day of heavy selling in the SPX. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 110 right now, up quite significantly as well. We saw it 95 going into that Fed announcement, so it was elevated, but now we're seeing it build on that because we are seeing a lot of activity in the options today, particularly out of the money calls. August calls, we're seeing a lot of call buying going on there, anywhere from the 18 to 21 strike. We also saw a big buyer of the August SEP call strike when you go to the 42 halves and the 47s. We saw some activity there. So we're seeing some rolling of positions now that the futures curve has moved, and you're seeing it push out to October. We're seeing October activity in 26, 27s, and 28s as well. So again, a lot of call activity, a lot of rolling of positions, a lot of spreads, calendar spreads going off here today. Next week, administration is going to be in focus once again, folks. That really is what initiated this shift in psychology and momentum, and it's going to continue next week, I believe. Not too much in the news camp, but we're getting to the end of earnings, so really the focus is going to be now on the China-U.S. relations and how that's going to impact the markets moving forward.